Hi grades 4, so we are looking at our spelling lesson for this week, and in this lesson we will be looking at our vowel suffixes. So vowels, remember A, E, I, O, U, and our vowel suffixes are endings we add to the end of the words, right? Suffixes are words or they're endings that we add to a word. So we'll be looking at 4 different kinds of vowel suffixes and how we add them to different words. So the first ending we would be looking at is the ing ending. Now sometimes we have to double up our consonant when we are adding this ing ending. For example, our first word for this week's spelling list is running. Now, if you look at the word running, it has 2 N's, R-U-N-N-I-N-G. So sometimes when we add the ing ending, our vowel suffix, we have to double up our consonant. So we doubled up our N, right? So we have 2 N's. So that's your first word on your spelling list for this week. The word is running. Your next word is printing. Printing. Again, I'm looking at words that have the ing ending. Your next word is stopping. Stopping. Your next word is planning. Planning. And your last ing word is standing. Now the next vowel suffix is the er. That is, so adding the er to the end of the words, right? So my first word, again, grades 4, this is your list for this week. So your next word is, after you wrote the word standing, your next word is, now we are looking at the er ending. So it is helper. Next word is wetter. My next word is swimmer. Now, even though Y is not a vowel, but remember sometimes when Y makes the I sound or E sound, it is considered a vowel. So sometimes Y can also be our vowel. Okay, so my word for Y ending is crispy. Crispy. And the last one, my last vowel ending is the EST ending. Now this ending, our word for this week is loudest. Loudest. So this was your reading, your spelling list for this week. Now grades 4, I want you to remember to add, to write these words that I just showed you. So all of these words, which I just showed you, please remember to write them ×2 the next day. So if you're watching this video, let's say on Tuesday, please remember to write this list down ×2 the next day. And the last thing that we need to remember is I will be sending home sentences. So your parents or whoever is taking care of you or any older person who's near you, they can dictate these sentences for you and you need to write them. And once they're done dictating these sentences, you're going to look at them. You're going to look at the list. So this is the list I'm sending them. Okay, this list. You're going to look at it and you're going to see which spelling or which word you had trouble with. So you're going to circle the word that you could not spell correctly. And I will see you next week in class.